Hello children, hello Lou, hello Lou. Aujourd'hui nous allons terminer l'histoire de Brown Bear, what do you see? Et je vous poserai ensuite des questions. N'oubliez pas qu'à chaque fois vous pouvez dire ce qui va arriver dans les pages suivantes si vous vous en souvenez. Lou et Lou, je vous pose pour que vous puissiez bien suivre l'histoire. Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti. Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. But green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. A teacher. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. The end of the story. Ok, Lou et Lou, nous avons fini de lire l'histoire. Je vais poser quelques questions aux enfants. Vous allez essayer de répondre vous aussi. Black sheep, what do you see? What do you see, black sheep? Qu'y a-t-il derrière? Lou, tu te souviens? A goldfish. Is it a goldfish? Yes, Lou, it is a goldfish. Very good. Goldfish, what do you see? Goldfish, what do you see? How do you say it? A teacher? I am a teacher? Yes, I am a teacher. It is a teacher looking at the goldfish. A teacher. Very good. And the teacher, what does she see? She sees children. She said, children, what do you see? Essayez de vous souvenir de tout ce qu'ils ont vu. À vous de dire. A brown bear. A red bird. A yellow duck. A blue horse. A green frog. A purple cat. A white dog. A black sheep. A goldfish. A teacher. Very good. What's that? It is children. Children. Okay. And what's that? It is a teacher. Okay, very good. Bien, Lou et Louvre, nous avons fini de lire cet album. Brown Bear, what do you see? Félicitations les moyens et les grands. Vous pouvez réécouter l'histoire autant que vous voulez pour bien comprendre tous les mots. Et bientôt, je vous donnerai un petit travail à faire sur cet album. À bientôt!